Someone is giving away a free trip around the world on Reddit. You just have to be sane, smart, ready to create a great story to tell your kids, and be a Canadian named Elizabeth Gallagher. Hi, it's Keri with Buzz60. Jordan Axani had found the love of his life. He knew he could buy a non-refundable trip around the world with this woman. Their love was like a diamond, forever. Except it wasn't. They broke up, and unlike a diamond, you can't sell or return a non-refundable trip. The trip starts on December 21st and goes to Paris, Prague, Bangkok, India. It's like your own Eat, Pray, Love excursion, but for free. However, since the trip is non-refundable, Jordan is going alone, but has an empty seat. If your name is Elizabeth Gallagher and you have a Canadian passport. Jordan tried to get the airline to change the name on the ticket, but they won't. Because in his words, modern air travel is archaic, so that left him with one option. Find another Elizabeth Gallagher with a Canadian passport on Reddit. Why did my mother give birth in America and name me Keri? The lucky Elizabeth Gallagher will get to fly around the world for free, but will be on the hook for her hotel cost and food. Now the only question is how many women in Canada are trying to get a legal name change to Elizabeth Gallagher by December 21st. At least that's what I would do. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.